You do not possess any legal authority to patrol within the Philippine Exclusive Economic Zone.
Matagumpay na napalayas ng PCG ang muling nagbabalik na monster ship na itaboy ang barko na yan. Pero nakalusot naman ang dalawang Chinese Coast Guard at kasalukuyang tong nasa Bolinao, Pangasinan. Oo, totoo yan. Napasok na tayo ng China. Ito ang problema ni Commodore Tariela. Walang pondong ibinibigay pambili ng mga barko ng PCG. Ayon, inuuna kasi ang ayuda ng mga kongresista. Pag nagkagera kaya, mauuna bang lumaban sa digmaan yung mga binigyan nyo ng ayuda? Papaano lalaban ng banggaan ng PCG? Wala nga. Sa ngayon, ang aksyon pa lang ng Philippine Coast Guard magpadala ng surveillance aircraft para manmanan ang dalawang Chinese Coast Guard. Niradyohan man to ng PCG pero mukhang walang pake ang China.
China Coast Guard vessel transiting west under Republic Act 2064, Philippine Maritime Resources Act, the United Nations Convention on the Law of the Sea, and the 2016 Arbitral Award. You do not possess any legal authority to patrol within the Philippines Exclusive Economic Zone. You are directed to depart immediately and to notify us of your intention. Over.
Naninindak ang China. Tingin yan ni retired Air Force General Ray Powell. Ipinapakita lang daw ni Mao Ning nang walang pake ang China kahit may Typhoon mid-range missile pa tayo. Hindi naman daw mananakop ang China, pero ipinapakita daw ng China kung sino ang tunay na bossing, na tayo mga Pilipino at Pilipinas na dapat ang sumunod sa China. Babala ni General Powell, matalo ang pikon. Inuudyokan kasi ng China ang AFP gumamit ng dahas o puwersa. Pag napikon ng AFP at binombay ang Chinese Coast Guard, yan ang pagsisimulan ng malaking gulo.
Fact that they believe they have jurisdiction over almost all of the West Philippine Sea, going almost all the way to the coast of Luzon. That what China's presence looks like to me is something more akin to an occupation than simply a number of incursions. So their large continuous presence, the denial of access to Philippine public vessels, all of those things lead me to conclude that this looks like an imperialist occupation of the West.
Kung gusto ng Pilipinas totaling mapalaya sa mga Chinese, bumili ng maraming barko para sa PCG. Kahit araw-arawin pa raw ang banggaan na yan, China na ang aatras dyan. Problema kasi talagang pere. Imbes na inilalaan para sa seguridad at depensa ng Pilipinas, ayon nasa ayuda.
For pushing China out of the West Philippine Sea. They're simply too big and too strong and too many. And the Philippines doesn't have the resources to be able to push back everywhere. So I think the Philippines is doing what it can, which is to make its counterclaim, right? So at some point you have to have your own vessels out there just to let China know that you're not giving up on your claim.
Kayo, ano sa tingin nyo ang dapat gawin para matakot ang China nang hindi na bumalik pa? Banggain na dapat o tayo naman dapat ang mag-water cannon? Komento sa baba ang inyong saloobin.